Today we are making newborn reversible pinafore for size 0, so stay tuned and watch this video. You're watching Momo Beginner Sewing. For further tutorials, please subscribe to us and also ring this bell for further notification in your mailbox. Hey guys, this is Momo and today we are back with new tutorial at Momo Beginner Sewing. And today's topic is newborn reversible pinafore. This is for size 0 and it is just a little bit small frock and we are going to sew it. And this is the pattern we are using right now. As you can see, I have a polka dot print and other one is a gingham fabric print. So it is going to be a very unique and different kind of pinafore for our really cute newborn baby. So let me just fix this pattern and going to just cut it out. I've just cut out my back side of the pinafore dress. Now I am set up the fabric for the front side of the fabric. The front side of the fabric is about 1 inch, around 1 inch shorter than the back side. So hopefully you will got these pattern from craftsy.com and you can download it from there soon, as I have uploaded over there. I'm going to link it below so you can download it. I'm done with my both pieces, the front and the back side. This is how the cut pieces will looks like. This is how I am going to demonstrate you that this is how it looks like. So now let's move on the sewing procedure. So guys, we are on the sewing procedure, so let me guide you. These are the two pieces, the front piece and the back piece. What we are going to do, we are going to sew the sides of the, you can see that I'm going to seam it. It is just single seam along with the armhole till the next armhole. So let's start. I've just completed my single seam and now I'm making the notches on the curvy parts so it will get a nice finish and didn't get fumbleness and fluffy kind of things in between the joints. Now I'm going to revert it. You can see that this is so much small size, so it is really not easy to handle. So I'm just going to pull out from, with the help of anything, whatever you can grab it from your sewing machine toolbox. I'm just, you can see that how I'm going to lift up the the curves. Don't do extra things, otherwise it will be torn. Now I'm doing same thing for the next one. This is the how it looks like. This is our front and it is ready. In one point of view it is ready. Now I'm going to do a same thing for the back side. I'm done with this as well. Now I'm going to make notches here as again. Now you can see that step again which just missed the last one. I'm just repeating the steps. So I'm just making the notches at the point which have a curvy area. Don't do notches on the whole seam, but just make a notches. Now I'm going to pull out this as well. You can see that how it looks like, a very clean and deeper look. Now we will take our front side. You can see that the same fabric is facing each other, and now I'm going to seam it like that. This is as similar to last pinafore we have done. You can also go and see that link as well. I'm going to link it, so you can do that as well, but this is the simplest way that I'm going to taught you. We are done with our both sides. You can see that this is our joining parts. Now I'm just making a small notch at the both joint parts, which is along with the armhole, just beneath the armhole. So just make a small notch over there, so it didn't look fluffy at the beside the arm, beneath the armhole. Now I'm going to just do a finish seam, so it looks very good and clear, and finish looks very nice. Now you can see that my all finish is done. My seam is looking very nice and under stitch part is done now, and this is how it looks from the both side. The polka dots is looking very nice and gingham is giving a colorful side. So that's why I have used this combination for our little cute baby, for our newborn baby. So now we are going to sew our bottom side of the dress. This the one thing you can do, just seam is like that we have just taught you in a Pinafore dress, but I am telling you in a this is the thing, but I am telling you some kind of different thing. You can see that I've just reversed the dress and just join them from the back side and start rolling. This is the main and important part you need to focus. If you don't get the part, just go a few seconds back and start seeing that again. You can see that I'm just pulling out the white one from the gingham side and just seaming it. You can see that I have already done with my bottom seam. Now I've just left over this a little bit amount of bottom side, so it will be come out easily from that side. So you can see that this is a pack of the whole thing. Basically the bottom seam also done with the understitch technique. We are just going to do the finished seam along with this line, and then we cover this gap. Now I'm just doing a finished seam over here from the start point, and then I am just cover this gap. So we are done with our final finished seam, and we covered the gap there as well. You can see that this is a cute little baby Pinafore dress. We are going to have a button plugged over here, and it is reversible, so button should be there. It should be facing both the sides. So this is our final piece of art. This is such a cute dress that we have done. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to us, like this, and share this tutorial as well, and grab the pattern from craftsy.com. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe to us, like this video, and share this video as well. See you soon.